Okay, so earth is sphere. Any other example? Emoji. Okay, volleyball. Yes. So sphere has a center. From center it is called radius. These are all same. These are all same. R. Okay. These all are same radius. Got it? Now, what is the surface area of the sphere? Formula, surface area formula, that is 4 pi r square. Okay, that is 4 pi r square. What is the volume of sphere? That is 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Now one thing, students, what is this? That is half sphere. That is half sphere. In other words, it is called hemisphere. What is the surface area of the hemisphere? That is 3 pi r square. First of all, half of this portion, that is 2 pi r square, and this one is also a circle. We know that circle area, that is pi r square. So it is 3 pi r square. And what is the volume? That is not actually it is like a cup. So okay, just reduce the height. Now I think it is like a hemisphere. Okay, and volume will be 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi r cube. Got it? That is the 2/3 pi r cube was the volume of the hemisphere. So for formula I have written: surface area 4 pi r square, volume 4/3 pi r cube, hemisphere 3 pi r square, and volume of the hemisphere, that is 2/3 pi r cube. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Having any doubt? Now first sum number 1. Sum number 1. Surface area of a sphere if radius is, question number 1, if area equal radius equal to 10.5, radius equal to 10.5, what is the surface area? What is the surface area of that? So surface area equal to, we know that surface area equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square, that is 4 pi means 22/7, r square means 10.5 into 10.5. Now cut it by 7, that is 1.5. 1.5. Okay. Okay, the deduction of the formula you want, 4 pi r square. Okay, I will discuss it. How it is 4 pi r square, I will discuss it. Okay, wait. So r equal to 10.5 and surface area 4 pi r square. So that is 4.5 into 4, sorry 1.5 into 4, that is 6 into 22 into 10.5. So find the product of 6 into 22 into 6, that is 132. 132 and 10.5 in 132 into 10.5, multiply it quickly, multiply it. One three 1,386, yes, 1,386, that is 10.5 centimeter or meter square, centimeter or meter square. Centimeter, so centimeter square. Okay, area will be centimeter square. Next part, when radius is 5.6 centimeter, when radius is 5.6 centimeter, do it quickly. What will be the area, surface area of the sphere? Do it quickly, solve yourself quickly. That is 394 point. Okay, okay, now look at the board. That is surface area 4 pi r square, 4 into pi, that is 22/7, r square means 5.6 into 5.6. Now cut it, that is 0.8. Now 0.8 into 4, that is 3.2 into 22 into 5.6. Okay, multiply it, and obviously it will be that is 13 point. Okay. So that is 3.2 into 22 into 5.6, that is 394.24, 394.24 centimeter square. Got it? Next question. Now that one part is left, solve at your home. Question number 3. Or question number 2. What is given? Question number 2. Same question, students. The diameter is given. You have to find the surface area. It is very much easy. Moving on, question number 3. Find the total surface of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Radius 10 centimeter of a hemisphere. Okay, and pi you have to use, that is not 22/7. It is given here that you have to use 3.14 only. So question number 3, radius is 10 centimeter and here you should use the value of pi, that is 3.14. What is the surface area of the hemisphere? First of all students, surface area of hemisphere, that formula is 3 pi r square. Half sphere, 3 pi r square. So 3 into 3.14 into r square means 100. Now 3 into 3.14 into 100, it's very much easy calculation, that is 314 and 942 centimeter square. 942 centimeter square. The total surface area of that hemisphere, is 942 centimeter square. Got it? Okay. Now moving on, question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface area of the balloon in the two cases. Okay. First of all students, you can find out the surface area. Okay, surface area of initial condition, that is 7 centimeter, in second then first condition and second condition, but I am taking here, so first of all, the radius of a spherical balloon increases 7 centimeter to, first at initially it was R1, that is 7 centimeter, and after pumping some air into it, its radius increases to that is R2, its radius increases to 14 centimeter. Okay. What is the ratio of the surface area in this condition and in this condition? So you can write ratio of surface area, that is 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square. Any problem students up to this? Any problem up to this? Didida, no need to do like that way. Okay, that is very much lengthy process. Just watch it. 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square. Any problem up to this? So easily you can observe, sir, we can cut down 4 pi and 4 pi. Then r1 square value, that is 49, r2 square value, that is 196. Okay, 196. So you can cut it by 1 and 4, that is 1 by 4, 1:4. Okay, Riddhita, follow that method. I think that method is easier. Sir, what have you written? Which portion? Ratio of surface area. Okay, 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi remove, r1 square value, r7 square, that is 49, r2 square 196, that is 1:4. 1:4. Got it? Okay, a hemispherical bowl, question number 5. Any problem, anyone? Any problem, anyone? Okay. Question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made of brass. Brass is made of which two metals? What are they? You can tell me. Brass is an alloy. Okay. By which metal it is made? What is the two elements of brass? Okay, hemispherical bowl, that is the chemistry question. Okay, that question from chemistry. Hemispherical bowl made of brass in inner diameter, 10.5, cost of tin plating in the inside rate of, okay. So hemispherical bowl, okay, that tin plating to inner surface area. First tell me students, here it is given, so radius of the hemispherical bowl, first of all, radius of the hemispherical bowl, that is R equal to 10.5 by 2, 10.5 by 2, that is 5.25 centimeter. Okay. Now to find it out, that area, which formula should I used? What is the formula? What is the surface area of that portion? Surface area of inner side of inner part of bowl, that is not 3 pi r square, that only inner part, not that portion, that is blank. So it will be used as 2 pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. Now 2 pi r square, 2 pi means which value should be used here? Pi to 22 by 7. Which portion? Oh my God. Last portion, that inner surface area, means that portion only, that is 2 pi r square. When it is 3 pi r square, area of this portion plus this, it is pi r square. I have discussed this already. Pi r square, that is 2 pi r square, total 3 pi r square. But here in tin plating for the inner surface area, so inner surface area, only pi r square is removed, only 2 pi r square. Okay. Now 2 pi, that is pi should be here 3.14 or 3.122 by 7. Okay, 22 by 7 into r, 5.25 into 5.25. So product it, (15) into 5.25. So it will be 173.25 centimeter square, 173.25 centimeter square. Now what will be the cost? Cost of tin plating, that is 100 meter square, 16. Okay, so cost equal to rate into area, so rate means that is rupees 16 per 100 meter square. So 16 by 100 into 173.25, so you will get, that is 27.72 rupees, 27.72 will be needed to tin plating. Okay. So students, I have completed these sums here. 4 sums are left, and also the derivation of the formula that Ridhita asked me. Okay, I will try to upload it in our YouTube channel of that formula, derivation of that 4 pi r square and next sums. and before that, and this is the last class this before puja vacation. I am 173.25 centimeter square. Wishing you very much happy puja. Okay, stay safe and use masks whenever we are going to outside, and just if it is not needed, if it is no need to come out from your house. Okay, it will be dangerous for you, and using masks and sanitizer, this must be mandatory. Use it. And one thing is very much important, students, that you should maintain, you should abide by the government instruction, otherwise that can be very much dangerous for all the people of Bardhaman as well as West Bengal. Okay, so thank you, students. Again, happy puja, and take care of you. Okay, thank you.